The second question is write a program to check given. Okay, write a program to take an input from user, take an year number as input from user, and check given year is leap year or not. Suppose if the user entered input 2012, you have to give output yes it is leap year. Okay, if the user is given again one more input, some 2007, okay, output is 2007 is in leap year. No, it is
No.
not a leap year. Okay, first year, see the first condition. Okay, how to tell a given number is a leap year or not? The first condition, okay, it has to satisfy any one condition in the two conditions. We have two conditions. First condition is year must be divisible by 400. And the second condition is year must be divisible by 4 and not divisible by 100. See, in this anyone, if this is working, then you can tell it is a leap year. Okay, if it is not working, if it is working, you can tell that year is a leap year. Okay, now let me consider an example here. 2012. Okay, 2012 is there. Okay, see 2012, 2008, 2004, 2000. Okay, now see here, this 2000 if you consider, it is divisible by 400 or not? 405, 2000. So it is a leap year. 2004 it is there. It is not divisible by 400, but it is divisible by 4 and not divisible by 100. Just okay. Wait. So let me take an example here. Let's consider example. First input is 2014. 2014. Is it divisible by 400? Is equal to 0? No. False. Now again it will come check the second condition. 2014 divided by 4. 4 5s are 40 43. For some 503.05. It is also false. Okay. So both the conditions are giving false. Even though it is R, false or false. In the final it is going to be false. So 2014 is not a leap year. Now let me consider 2004. 2004. Now 2004 is divisible by 400 is equal to 0. No, false. Why? Because 405 is a 2000 point something it will become. Okay, it is not exactly 0. False. Now consider 2004. The second condition, it must be divisible by 4. So 2004 is divisible by 4. 4 5 is 40, 4 1 is 5 not 1. So the remainder is equal to 0. So it is true. If it is true, then it is not directly, can't tell it is a leap year or not. Again there is a and condition, means it is also has to satisfy divisible by 100 or not. It has to not divisible by 100. 2004, if you divide it by 100, the remainder will be 4. 120 is a 2000, remainder will be 4. So it is not dividing. So 2004 is a leap year. Guys, clear?
Yes, sir.
For everyone is clear how can
Yes.
we can say
Yes, sir. Yes,
given
sir.
year
Sure.
is a leap year? How we can say year modulus of 400 equal to 0? If it is true, then you can tell leap year. Or this is or if the year is modulus of 4 equal to 0 and year modulus of 100 not equal to 0, it has to divisible by 4 but not divisible by 100. This is the second condition, this is the first condition. In this any one is true, suppose it is true, it is false, then also you can tell it is a leap year. If it is false, it is true, then you can tell leap year. But the both the conditions are false, means then it is not a leap year. Clear? Guys, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me create a class for the leap year. So as we have to take from the user input, so I'm creating a scanner class. Scanner class scanner s is equal to new scanner system dot in. In is the input same reference. So we have to ask user to enter a year. We have to ask user to enter a year. That's why I'm using print statement. Enter a year. Now here I'm holding that year value in the integer because always years will be in the form of integers only. There is no decimal values. Okay, you can take long also, but I don't think so that much long year is available. But you can take int. Now see here, what is you have to check. Here we will take integer int y. Y means year. If y first condition, so write in the first condition. If y divisible of 400 means y modulus of 400 equal to 0, or means two vertical lines. Okay, here one more condition. What is the second condition? If y modulus of 4 equal to 0 and if it is dividing by 4 means it is not divisible by 100 and y modulus of 100 not equal to 0, then you can, if in this one, this is one condition, remember this is the first condition, this is the second condition. Inside second condition again we have one more two conditions. Okay, this output will be on if the two values, if the this condition and this condition is true only, then only this output is going to be true because it is the AND operator. Okay, here we have in the main we have one condition, this is one condition. Here if anyone is true, then the final output is going to be true because here we are using OR operator. So here you have to print system.out.println, yes, it is a leap year. Okay, else system.out.println, no, it is not a leap year. Okay, now let me run this. Okay, for everyone is understood what is the logic written, everyone is able to understood it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay, good. Now let me execute this program. Okay, see, I am entering a year 1900. Is it leap year or not? Let's check according to our things. So let me take 1900. Is it divisible by 400? No, something 4.7 it will become. So first condition is false. Now check the second condition. 1900. Is it divisible by 400? 4. 4 4 is 16. 3 4 7 is 28. 2 4 5 is 20. Yes, it is divisible. True. But in the second condition, we have one more also. 1900 divisible by 100. It has to be not equal to 0. See, it is equal to 0. 100 by 1900 remainder is 0. So this condition is false. So true and false, the final output will be false. Now see this false and this false, the final output will be false. So it is not a leap year. Okay. Now let me run the program, check whether what it is printing. See, I'm executing it here. I'm entering here 1900. No, it is not a leap year. So our program is executing correctly. Now I'll provide here one leap year, which is we all know 2012. Okay, it is taken as 2612. Yes, it is the leap year. Because see, 2612, 2612 not divisible by 400. It is false. The first condition is false. But in the second condition, 2612 divisible by 4, it is true, as it will be divisible by 4. Okay, 4 6 is 24, 21, 4 5 is 20, 4 3 is 12, 653 it will divisible, 4 653 is 2612. So remainder is 0. Now, and 2612 not equal to 0, the modulus of 100. Now if you see, the remainder is going to be 2. Okay, so it is not equal to 0 only. 2 is not equal to 0, so it is also true. True and true, true. False, true, the total output is going to be true. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.